Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter. If you remember my past videos, I've got this Mosin Nagant sniper from Hunter's Lodge, but it had the wrong bolt in it. And James was supposed to get me another one, but haven't heard any word. You guys know how that is. Well, so I decided to do it on my own. And I made a bolt. I'm up here. This was the original one, if you saw my other videos. And it would fly up and hit the scope. Of course, you know this is reproduction, but this one is a real deal. So I made my own, and I watched a video, and I'm gonna give a shout out to Guns with Gauge, and he showed me how to make this bolt handle and fasten it to the original bolt housing assembly. And through trial and error, as you see here, it was supposed to have been a 5/16 bolt, but after I drilled and tapped here, for some reason it didn't come out right, so I went up to 3/8, and here's the tool, and they're both fine threads. All these are fine threads. This one was regular coarse standard, and I got one to work. It works, and I'm happy. I don't have it Loctited in yet. But that's how it came out just by watching this video. And as you see, it was 6 inches, so I had to cut off, and I wanted to get the right length on the handle. So I had to consult the Book of Armaments on sniping, chapter 16 on the Soviet approach to sniping. And there it was. And what I did is I took my little ruler, and I went to the other side, and I used the metric one, and all I did was measure distance between the receiver and the bolt, and did the same on the gun, and it came out identical. Very pleased. But very good book here. Very good book. And I'll show you. This is how it came out. No problem. Now, all my purist friends are going to ask about the knob. Well, the bolt handle knob. Well, I couldn't use it because it was all messed up. So I like to use stuff I got hanging around the shop here in the man cave. And I came up with this little jewel right here. I know. Just bear with me till I get another bolt knob, but that's what I got on there for now. It's just temporary. Don't panic. It's already threaded, so when I find a bolt head, I'll put it on there, and I'm just going to put some Loctite in there. But that's what I got so far. I think it came out pretty good. First time ever doing something like this. So if you got a Mosin Nagant and want to do a sniper or whatever you want to do, check out Guns with Gauge. That's where I got it, the information from. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to, and subscribe if you haven't. And always remember, God bless America. I stand with the people of Ukraine. Stay safe and watch your six.